Oh, she's happy.
Alright, so it's the old John Deere 1023E, and after a year and a half of owning her, it's time to do some maintenance, I guess. So you check the oil and check the antifreeze. Looks good. But the battery is something else. Here, I'll show you guys. Ridiculous! Okay, so here's the battery. I have to one-hand this thing. Prop my light up. So you can see the negative side. That's pretty crusty. I mean, that is crusty! And then you got the positive side. Don't worry, they make everything with enough space. Look at all that crust. I mean, you couldn't have put a little gobbledygook on there? A little dab. Come on, John Deere. It's even your battery. It shouldn't corrode. Of course, now it's up to the customer to fix this junk. Alright, we'll try wrenching this thing off of here. See what gives. Since everything is so neatly packaged in, everything's difficult to reach. Probably 13 mil, although I'm using a half because I really don't care. If your half doesn't fit, just force it. Force it on there. And of course, everything is stupidly, crustily, I can't even talk, it's so bad. Alright, let's see if that's loose enough. I'll get the mini sledgehammer, see if we can beat this thing loose. Or at least into submission. Put the light in your way so that I can't see. Holy moly, that still doesn't want to come on. Holy growly. I'm going to get a screwdriver and a chisel. Just combine the two. Dang it. What a piece of junk. Don't forget to put it in the hardest place possible to work on it. Where can I do this? I need some swinging room. Oh, she's moving now. Good. Good. I know you can't see, but what do I care? We got crust to work on. Thanks to John damn Deere. He's the best. I mean, the John guy anyway. The Deere, I don't know. I don't know about the Deere. It should be more like John Crusty. Isn't that right, Deere? Dear John. Flippity flappity. Like, who wants to work on this kind of junk? That's right. John Deere junk. Hey, that almost rhymes. I know, we need these covers on the positive to keep stupid people from shorting this out, but stupid people technically shouldn't have a tractor. They shouldn't need a cover on there, because they're always in the way. And I'm a guy who hardly ever works on this crap, and I complain. I can only imagine being a mechanic. A what? A mechanic. What the heck is a mechanic? Mechanic. Oh. One of those guys. Flippity floppity. Yeah, I'm trying not to hit the rad, but what are you going to do? Stuff's in the way. Get your cover. You need your cover on there. Cover's the most important thing. Oh yeah, and don't forget, she held down by a bungee cord. That's a brand new tractor right there, boys. Ain't a word of a lie. But you know, I've done that in old cars, so what's the difference in a new tractor? I guess that's the way they see it. Ah, this is stupid. I need an air chisel. That's how dumb this is. Let's give it a little wacky tap, maybe. Knowing this stuff is brand new. You know, when you guys built it, John, it would have been so easy to put some gobbledygook on there. Any kind of grease. Anything. Canola oil. I don't really give a shit. But something to prevent the corrosion. What the heck just snapped? I hope the casing didn't break, you piece of crap. Flippity flap. Oh, this cover is just the most obnoxious crap. Ugh. Why don't they make it removable? Oh wait, I'm supposed to make it removable. Gotcha. I'll do it. Frick. Frickety frack! Alright, more hammer time. Can you guys even see what I'm doing? I mean, come on. Come on, cameraman! I'm damn near hitting a rad. Well, at least she's turning now. Come on, fricker fracker. Flippity flop! There you go, you piece of junk! Damn. Now let's see if we can get this piece of crap out of here. Come on, bungee. Oh, come on. How about this side? Oh yeah, that side's easier. Somehow we gotta get this thing out of here, and it doesn't look like it would technically fit in. Oh, you suck so bad. Why do you have to suck so bad? Do I have to take the freaking headlight and the grill off, or what? 4 bolts per headlight, because that was necessary. I don't want to clean it in there. There's no freaking room! Damn it, dear! John. dear John. Look at, they managed to put stuff everywhere else. Got some gobbledygook splashed up in here. Got some gobbledygook up on the freaking hood for some reason. All brand new crap. But you couldn't put any gobbledygook on here. Gee, frick. Professionals. Probably gonna find a sticker under there that says made in China. I don't want to dump all the crust down there. How can I suck it up? I don't have a vacuum in here, do I? I'm gonna go check for a vacuum. Be right back. Okay, maybe it's in here. Oh, yeah. Nope. Here. Oh, yeah, what the frick is in here? Yeah, heavy crap. Not in there. Where the heck is that vacuum? Frickin' hiding? Why are you hiding? You piece of junk. You're gonna do the work. I don't think it wants to suck up battery acid. I mean, I wouldn't want to either. There you go. Dust it off. Come on, princess. There's no suction here. You piece of junk. Everything I own have to be used. What is the matter with you? Dust it up, pussycat. There you go. Clean enough. Shut it, Stanley. Now, that might have been the easy part, because it might be an ordeal to get this thing out. Just saying is all. Put that light right there in your way. Keep the hammer close by, just in case I need to slam something. Well, you can't put it straight up, John dear. That would be wrong. You are so dumb. Why would you make such a small space for a battery? Idiots. You can't even put a full-size battery in here. Are you serious? Does this have to come out the bottom? You do not have to take the headlights out, do you? Let me do some measuring. It's a simple thing turned into an ordeal, right, John? Yeah, that's right. Let's see, we got 5.5. Means it won't even fit past these bolts. Serious? What in the world is this supposed to come apart? You can't take this frickin' cooler out of here. What the stupid? You seriously have to look up how to remove a freaking battery from a piece of crap? Damn it! Why so dumb? Idiots! Frick, I don't get it. So would these even? Why are they so damn long? John damn dear. What your freaking problem is? Ha ha and ha. What are we gonna do with these idiots? Punch them in the face? I'd like to. I'd really like to punch them right in the face. Punch him in the face! That's what I call avec la useless. It sounds exactly the way it's supposed to. You morons. I have to take the headlight out. Oh, frick. Of course you can't get an impact in there. That way a mechanic has to sit there wrenching for an hour and a half. Of course, 10 mil. Like everything else on a frickin' tractor, it's 10 mil. Alright. Yeah, even after taking all that off, those bolts will still be there. How could this be so dumb? What is wrong with manufacturers? So I gotta get a little thing that fits on there and wrench it out of the plastic. Seriously? You're kidding. Why are they spring-loaded? Like, what is the purpose of this? Oh, to aim them forward because, you know, you need perfect lighting down the highway. Gotcha, John dumb deer. Okay, so what it looks like is you have to undo these. None of the rest. And they're going right into the plastic. Ratchet these boys out of the way. Yeah, no wonder you can't see. I keep hitting the frickin' thing. So I think it's taking these guys out. Don't trust me by any means. Okay, the springs are locked in, so that's a good sign. So you undo those, and then I think you slide this whole thing out. Is it really necessary to make things so dumb? Let's unplug it, get it out of the way. Now, should we do both, just to lift it straight up? Because I still don't think it'll fit in here. Yeah, if it's just that, let's do both. That way I don't have to tilt the battery to get it out. There we go, and it just falls right out. Perfect, John deere. I mean, I would have made stuff more junky, but hey, you did a pretty good job with making junk. John deere, can we get the battery out now? It's a legit question, right, John? It's a legit question. Let's try it. Cable tie in the way. Hood opener in the way. Yeah, either way, it'll come. Freaking morons. Well, good to see there's actually some drain holes under there, so you could actually, look in here. You could actually drain it, wash it down in there, and get most of the crap out through those drain holes. Right onto your beautiful axle. That's probably going to snap next. Let's clean this battery. So normally I'd do this outside, but it's cold and wintry out there. That'll neutralize her. Yeah, shut it, compressor. Yeah, steal one of these from the wife. Use it on the battery, then put it back when she's not looking. Get all the gobbledygook off, even on the side. Especially the anti-corrosion that John Deere looks to have sprayed everywhere except for on the terminal. Alright, nice and cleany clean. That was soapy water, and this is just straight water. Oh, this could take forever. Normally you do this outside with the hose. Nicely rinsed. Achoo! And a boot. Okay, we'll let that dry. Just to make it get the shot. Alright, so I got the wire brush on the die grinder. I'm going to go in there and wreak havoc. I'm sure you won't be able to see anything, but that's the whole point of this video. The guessing as to what he might be doing down there. Yeah, I put the safety gloves on just so it doesn't rip my fingers off. I should probably put on a mask. I don't want to breathe that crap in. Killing me here. Oh yeah, I forgot the mask. Hey, you can never be too safe, huh? Oh, yes, you can. Now that we have all the shop tools out here. 1.5 years. Seriously. I don't know, the bolt broke. We can't blame that on John Deere. I don't think they make bolts. Would a little grease have hurt you? Peckerhead? No, I'm using the term peckerhead because, you're a peckerhead! Cutting the thing off. This red thing. Ooh, this one came off. It must be special. Maybe because it has a positive attitude. How's that, John Deere? Hook a bungee cord up to my tractor so I can hold up my camera. Because John Deere didn't put a camera mount on the tractor. I need the right to repair. Come on! Why is this thing so tight? Oh yeah, that's right. John Deere didn't put any grease on there, so it's all corroded now. That's why it's so tight. Oh, you can't make these wires a little longer. I mean, $1 per foot is way too much. This thing's starting to move. Has it really been 3 years that I've been working on this? Like, I don't care if I gotta replace the bolt. You sack! How can it be? Now we're gonna super clamp it. Look like crap. Who cares? As long as we can get the stupid thing out of here. It doesn't matter anymore. Still stiff in there. The world. When you get a brand new tractor, which this was 1.5 years ago, take it apart and lube it up. Or else you get to do this. And struggle and struggle. Well, because John Deere's lazy. There she is, you piece of crap. Alright, we got that junk out of there. Start cleaning. A few inches, John Deere. Be able to hold this with my left. No, I can't. You're an idiot. Looks like most of it's off of there. Let's try the other one. Piece of cake, huh? There's the compressor. You guys were waiting for that, weren't you? Okay, so we got a wire brush here. That used to be a wire brush. We'll use that for the hole. I think we got it all. All the crusties. All right. I think this one here will fit. Alrighty. Put that in a drill. And we're going to drill these holes out. I hope you can see something, because I can't. There. The other one. Nice and clean. Now, if we slip it between the crack, that should be relatively good. Pretty much destroyed this thing, but hey. This is the cost of cleaning crap, right, John Deere? Hey, no big deal. Alright, let's throw this sucker back in there. Here she comes. Down the hatch. Clear the hood release. Put hook and everything else. There we go. Keep going. Alright. Then what you do is you take some corrosive or resistant blah blah something something crap. Basically grease. And you gobbledygook it on there with a paintbrush from Amazon, my brother. So you don't just put it everywhere. For now, just get a little dab. Do it only on the base. Don't use it on the pole. The post doesn't get any. Now, the bottom of the terminal. Okay, just on the bottom, not inside. Anything you can't reach after the fact, but not inside the hole. What is this going on so craptastically? Yay! Reach for the negative terminal. You guys getting a good shot of this? Yeah, I didn't think so. Alright, she's thoroughly greased from underneath. Okay, let's find some bolts for this piece of crap. Okay, we found some bolts. Hopefully they're going to do the trick. I'm sure you won't be able to see anything I'm doing, but who cares? It's a video, right? I mean, videos aren't made to be viewed visually. You can just kind of listen to them. videos. Like a podcast, really. Slowly but surely, it's driving itself through there. Get the nut started. Not just any nut, but a crazy nut. Won't this thing start? Ridiculous. There's a piece of shit. All covered in grease and crap. Hey, we like it everywhere, just in the name of John Damn Deere. Get freaking started before I bash a rod in. Unbelievable. You'll have to use wrench. Or down the rabbit. What is wrong with you? Flippity floppity someday. Alright, I'm just gonna have to do this whether you can see it or not, because nobody needs to know how to wrench stuff on. Two-handed job for some frickin' reason. Just keep cranking it until something snaps. Absolute garbage. Oh, they make stuff so stupid. No, you shouldn't be able to get wrenches on there. I mean, what would be the point in getting wrenches on there? Absolute piece of crap. Can't get the box end on? Of course you can't get the box end on. That'd be freaking stupid. It'd be too easy then. Look at this box end. This box end's way... if I don't go crazy yet. That'd be a surprise. Okay. Second edge is on there. Take a little dab of the gobbledygook. Put some on there. Smooth around with your paintbrush. And pretend you're a paintist. And get it in the cracks. Get it on the thread. This metal part really likes to get eaten up. Top, bottom, underside. Anything you don't coat with this is going to give you an issue. Little gob on the other side. Same deal. Smooth around. Pretend you're an artist. And it may look like a mess, but trust me, it beats the alternative is what you saw. Crusty crap. And if you want to put the red thing back on, there it is. Red thing's on. And if anybody sees the lid for this thing, let me know. It's over there on the antifreeze thing. Alright, and the last thing to do, battery hold down back in, aka bungee cord. Real professional there. Somewhere down here there's a hook. You just locate the hook in the dark. Oh, I think I found it. And you stretch it over and you hook it in the other hole. And it doesn't really hold nothing down, but hey, we got a battery thing hold down there. Guy. Alright, headlights. So the one side you don't even have to take off if anybody's interested in the headlight part. Don't even need to loosen this. It squeezes into a chamber with these stick outs here. Squeezes in. And the other side bolts in to the plastic. Real non-professional, but hey, that's the way they do it. The good old 4mm. Yeah, don't over tighten it. That's all I can say. And the next side, I'm sure you can see exactly what I'm doing. If not, blame the camera guy. Just a hair bit snug and that is it. Now that battery should be good for a while. Plug in the lights. And for anybody interested, this is the hood release. Once something goes in there, pushes that piece over. And it's supposed to go on the side of the hood here and put a key into this hole. I just extended this rod and put a nut on the end. Let's get some light on the subject here. Put a nut on the end, and now you just get them both on the screen. While you push that in, it releases the hood. You're no more getting your freaking key every time you want to release the hood, which is a screwdriver or something to stick in the hole. It's not a security feature, it's a stupid feature. Make it so that you can just hit a button. John Deere. And that is how it's done. At least in my shop anyway. If you want to follow the same rules, go ahead. I don't care. Not a how-to. This is how I do it. I never do nothing for you, dear. Be gentle. Okay, you slam the hood. Oh yeah, you can. Deer's done. Bye.